This is where we left off on this turbo install. Finally got everything set up on it. See if I can get this hood to pop. It actually shut this time. Alright, there we go. So, where I left off is I had everything loose up under here. Really the only thing I didn't show was just tightening everything down. I tightened it all as a unit. See the bolts from the down pipe. I bolted everything together and then set it down and then cinched it down on the back right there. So wasn't a whole lot y'all missed. I routed the braking line back behind the engine where the what's it called, this return line comes off. So, but yeah, now this is Caterpillar injection pump. Don't know anything about it. Let's see if I can get you guys in there. Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, it works, obviously. So the only thing left is this air intake. And this will bolt down to the engine using those two mounting lugs right down there. The only thing I had to do was push down on this. I pushed down on it just carefully to get it low enough to where this sat nicely on top. So, not a whole lot there. But I did get a transmission. Say, I believe it's MP.3, but it came with a new starter, clutch, flywheel, and then I bolted my transfer case onto it. Need to shorten some drive shafts, lengthen some drive shafts, but that's how I mounted it. Drilled these 3 holes, and then if I can get over there, right up here, you get multiple hole locations. I picked the one that was closest to the transmission mount and put the bolt in there, centered everything up, and drilled my new holes here. Still have a brace to put up over here, but I'm not too worried about it right now. I'll get to that when I get to that. But yeah, no, just got some drive shaft modification to do now. And the clutch pedal and whatnot, but I'll show you that here in a minute. Stupid alarm nonsense. But right there is your plate that blocks off the firewall. for the clutch master. And then under here, you'll see it right up there. Those two nuts will take that plate off, and then you replace the pedal assembly with the clutch pedal assembly. And then as far as wiring, you just need to make sure your reverse lights are connected and neutral safety switch if you choose to use it. It's not my decision. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the as far as the turbo install. I'll go grab the keys here in a minute and I'll fire it up. But I've done no fuel tuning at all. I have not turned it up, not done nothing, so it's running on whatever the current setup is for NA. So but I'll grab the keys and we'll fire it up, because who doesn't like to hear it? Plus it's straight piped, so. But I'll catch you here in a few minutes. All right. Let's fire this thing up. I have been running it. I did fix one of the fuel leaks somehow. Not sure if just running it did anything, but let's get it fired up. She's getting there. Almost. I don't have my glow plug controller hooked up right now, so this is just cold start, no glow plugs. There we go. She does pretty good. So, got transfer case, and transmission. Those are my next couple of things I'm gonna try and get done. I'm still waiting on my clutch pedal and master, and then I gotta get my drive shaft modified. But until then, I will be just figuring out the next project. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and see you soon, I guess. I might do some videos on some electrical on this, because there's some jank happening here. So, like an alarm system and whatnot, so I gotta pull some stuff off and deal with it. Take it easy, guys.